Hello, everyone. Welcome to Simple English Family. In today's video, we are going to talk about going to the pharmacy. A pharmacy is a shop where you buy medicine. This is very useful English for real life. Before we start, here is today's question. What do you say to a pharmacist when you need medicine for a cold? Listen carefully to today's conversations. You will find the answer. Write your answer in the comments below. Okay, let's begin. David, you look tired today. Are you okay?
No, Sarah, I don't feel well. I feel sick.
Oh no, what is wrong?
I have a headache. My head hurts a lot.
I'm sorry to hear that. How long have you had the headache?
Since this morning, I woke up and my head was already hurting.
Did you drink water? Sometimes a headache comes when you don't drink enough water.
Yes, I drank water, but it didn't help much.
Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, I also have a runny nose and I feel a little cold.
A runny nose means liquid is coming from your nose, right?
Yes, exactly. And I keep sneezing too. Achoo!
Oh dear, it sounds like you have a cold.
I think so. I feel tired and weak.
You should go to the pharmacy and get some medicine.
Yes, I think I need to go today.
A pharmacy is a good place to start. You don't always need a doctor for a simple cold.
That's true. The pharmacist can help me choose the right medicine.
Do you know what to say at the pharmacy?
Not really. What do I say?
You tell them your symptoms, what you feel, your headache, your runny nose.
Okay, so I just describe how I feel.
Yes, just say, I have a headache. I have a runny nose. I am sneezing. I feel weak.
That sounds easy. I can do that.
And they will help you choose the right medicine.
Perfect. I will go after work today.
Great.
Excuse me. I need some help, please.
Hello. Welcome. How can I help you today?
I don't feel well. I think I have a cold.
I'm sorry to hear that. What are your symptoms?
I have a headache. I have a runny nose, and I keep sneezing.
How long have you had these symptoms?
Since this morning, about 6 hours.
Do you have a fever?
I'm not sure. What is a fever?
A fever is when your body temperature is too high, when your body feels very hot.
Ah, yes. I think I do feel a little hot.
Okay. Do you have a sore throat?
What is a sore throat?
A sore throat means your throat hurts when you swallow. When you eat or drink, it feels painful.
Yes, a little bit. When I drink water, it feels uncomfortable.
I understand. And do you have a cough?
No, not yet, but I feel it might come.
Okay. Based on your symptoms, I recommend a cold and flu tablet.
What does that do?
It helps with the headache, the fever, the runny nose, and the sore throat. It treats many symptoms at the same time.
Oh, that's very helpful. Just one medicine for all my symptoms?
Yes, it is called a combination medicine. One tablet, many benefits.
That sounds good. I will take it.
Also, I recommend vitamin C tablets. They help your immune system.
What is the immune system?
Your immune system is the part of your body that fights sickness. Vitamin C makes it stronger.
I understand. So the cold tablet for the symptoms and vitamin C to fight the cold.
Exactly. You understood perfectly.
Thank you, but how do I take this medicine? There are many words on the label.
Of course. Let me explain. The label tells you everything you need to know.
Okay, what does dosage mean?
Dosage means how much medicine you take. For example, take 1 tablet 2 times a day.
So I take 1 tablet in the morning and 1 tablet at night.
Yes, that is 2 times a day, morning and evening.
And what does with food mean on the label?
It means you should eat something first, then take the medicine. Don't take it on an empty stomach.
Ah, so I eat breakfast, then take the tablet.
Exactly right. Some medicines can hurt your stomach if you take them without food.
Good to know. And this word, side effects, what does that mean?
Side effects are things that the medicine can cause that you did not want. Small problems.
Like what?
For example, some cold medicines make you feel drowsy. Drowsy means sleepy.
Oh, so I might feel sleepy after taking it.
Yes, a little. So do not drive a car after taking this medicine.
That is important to know. Thank you.
Also, look here. It says expiry date.
What is an expiry date?
The expiry date is the last day the medicine is safe to use. After that date, do not take it.
So if the date has passed, I should throw it away?
Yes, exactly. Old medicine can be weak or even harmful.
I will always check the expiry date from now on.
Very good habit.
Excuse me, I have one more question.
Of course. What would you like to know?
My daughter also has a cough. She is 7 years old. Can she take this same medicine?
No, this medicine is for adults only. Children need a different medicine.
I see. Do you have medicine for children?
Yes, we have a special children's syrup. A syrup is a liquid medicine.
Oh, liquid is easier for children.
Yes, children often cannot swallow tablets. The syrup is sweet and easy to take.
How do I give it to her?
Use the small measuring cup that comes with the bottle. It shows the correct amount.
And how many times a day?
For a child her age, 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and night.
Okay, and also with food?
Yes, always with food or after a meal.
Perfect. You have been very helpful today. Thank you so much.
You are very welcome. I hope you and your daughter feel better very soon.
One last question. Do I need a prescription for this medicine?
No, these medicines are over the counter. That means you can buy them without a prescription.
What is a prescription?
A prescription is a paper from your doctor. It says which medicine you need, but for simple colds, you don't need one.
That is very convenient.
Yes, but if your symptoms don't improve in 3 days, please visit a doctor.
I will remember that. Thank you again.
David, can I also suggest something natural?
Yes, please. I like natural remedies.
A natural remedy is something you do at home to feel better. Not medicine, but helpful.
Like what?
First, drink lots of warm water or warm tea. It helps your sore throat.
Yes, my grandmother always said that.
Grandmothers are very wise. Also, honey and lemon in hot water is very good.
I have honey at home. I can do that tonight.
Another tip, try to rest. Sleep is very important when you are sick.
But I have work tomorrow.
I understand, but your body heals faster when you rest. Even sleeping early at night helps.
That is true. Okay, I will sleep early.
Also, steam can help your runny nose.
Put hot water in a bowl, put a towel over your head, and breathe the steam.
Oh, I remember doing that as a child.
Yes, it opens your nose and helps you breathe easier.
So the plan is take the cold tablet, drink honey lemon tea, use steam, and rest.
Perfect plan. You will feel much better in 2 or 3 days.
I feel better already just knowing what to do.
That is the power of knowledge. And of course, good English.
Ha! Yes. Learning English helped me understand the pharmacist and buy the right medicine.
Exactly. English is useful every day, even at the pharmacy. Okay, David, let's review the important words from today.
Yes, vocabulary review is my favorite part.
First word, pharmacy. What is a pharmacy?
A pharmacy is a shop where you buy medicine.
Excellent. Second word, symptom. What is a symptom?
A symptom is something you feel when you are sick, like a headache or a runny nose.
Very good. Third word, pharmacist. Who is a pharmacist?
A pharmacist is the person who works in the pharmacy. They know about medicine.
Perfect. Fourth word, dosage.
Dosage is how much medicine you take, like 1 tablet 2 times a day.
Brilliant. Fifth word, side effects.
Side effects are small problems that the medicine can cause, like feeling sleepy.
Very good. Sixth word, over the counter.
Over the counter means you can buy the medicine without a doctor's prescription.
Amazing. And the last word, expiry date.
The expiry date is the last day the medicine is safe to use.
You remembered everything perfectly, David.
I learned so much today. This English is very practical.
Yes, you will use these words in real life, at the pharmacy, at the hospital, everywhere.
I feel more confident now to go to the pharmacy and speak English.
That is exactly the goal of Simple English Family, to make you confident in real life.
Thank you, Sarah, and thank you, Simple English Family.
Fantastic job today, everyone. You learned so much important English. Do you remember today's question? What do you say to a pharmacist when you need medicine for a cold? The answer is, you describe your symptoms. You say, I have a headache. I have a runny nose. I am sneezing. I feel weak. The pharmacist will then help you choose the right medicine. Today, we learned many important words: pharmacy, symptom, pharmacist, dosage, side effects, over-the-counter, expiry date. Write these words in your notebook. Practice them today. And write your answer to today's question in the comments below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Simple English Family so you never miss a video. We post new English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now.